Hi everyone, this is Deb. I'm back actually late with the 12 Days of Christmas package that Paige had sent me, and I opened 6 days and I shouldn't have. Anyway, day 7 should have been open on the 19th, 8 on the 20th, and then this one today. So I'm going to open all 3 of them today, which is the 21st. This is day 7. Oops, I just flung something. I don't know what that was. Okay, let's see how we do this. Okay, she's got it tied here. Oh my goodness. I love this bag. It's like a little gingham bag. So pretty. Ooh, looky, looky. They're ornaments. And this one says Mary, and it's got a glittery candy cane, and she's got some red tulle tucked in here. I like that idea, how you did that. I usually just lay it under the top part, but I like it in the grooves every other one. Very pretty, and this gold foiled paper is perfect how it edges there, so very pretty. And oh, it's a tag. Huh. Cool. And then this is an ornament. Oh, it's 2 more ornaments. These are felt. This Christmas tree. And then here's a snowflake, red and white, both of them. Very pretty. It looks like she glued them together. I don't know if they came. I think she made them. I don't think they came that way. I think she glued those pieces together. Anyway, thank you very much, Paige. That's day 7. I love that rosette is what I was trying to spit out. And then day 8 says 8 maids and milking. 7 was 7 swans a swimming, right? Did it say that? No, it just said number 7. Okay, I can pull it up. And she's got a craft bag. Paige loves craft. It's like a zigzag craft bag. Very pretty. Ooh, yummy. Okay, there's something. Ah, peppermint bark. Yeah, that will not go to waste, believe me. Dark chocolate peppermint bark. I was just looking at that in the store the other day. Supreme Matcha Green, a vital wellspring of organic whole leaf green tea and the finest matcha, M-A-T-C-H-A. I don't know what that is, but I will try that. And juniper mint honey. That sounds good too. Caffeine free. Even. Oh, look at this cute paper. That's adorable. I love this. And then the little candies and gumdrops, mint, peppermints and gumdrops is what I'm trying to say. And this was in here. So yeah, super cute. I love that paper with the little gingerbread people on it. That is so cute. And then, oh, there's like a little tag in here. Oh. Cute little gingerbread person. Look at that. It says a gift for you. How cute. I like how that tucks in there. That is adorable. Thank you. Now I'm going to have to be trying to make some of these, which it doesn't look too hard. It looks like you fold a 6x6 maybe diagonally, and then fold it backwards in half so that you end up with the little pockets here. Cute idea. I have not made one like that, so I will be giving that a try. Thank you, Paige. And the tea, yeah, I'll be having that, like, maybe I'll try that matcha one today and the other one another day. So this is day 9. This is for 12/21. And then the other 3 days, I'll probably film on the 24th, actually. So I don't know if I'm going to have time the next 3 days to do one a day. So I'll do 3 days at a time. Sorry, guys. Ooh, an ornament. It feels like, oh no, that's it. Look at the little gingerbread girl. She's dancing. She's happy. And him too. I guess they're happy because they're not being made as cookies and eaten. Look at this beautiful snowflake ornament. That is really pretty. That is wood. So, oh look, it has like, it's a little picture frame. But she's put a little, she has blinged it all up with these gemstones. There's tons of gemstones on here. And some are faceted like sugar, like that sugar feel to them. And then others are smooth. And then she's got a little reindeer in there with the gold around it. What do they call those? There's a name for the round pieces that are just embellishments. Not a cabochon, it's something else. Oh gosh, I can't remember the name. Anyway, yes, very pretty. So we got silver and gold. Silver and gold. Old song. And then this silver, like a braided rope. Not really braided. I can't remember the name of that either. Boy, my brain is mush. Anyway, very pretty. Thank you so much, Paige. Love the little gingerbread people. This is gorgeous. And this will be used today. And that might get eaten today too. I don't know yet. Maybe I'll save that for the 24th. Thank you very much, Paige. Everything's pretty. I love everything. I still have the other ones in a box. And then I have... let's see, this was 7, 8, 9. So 10, 11, and 12 are waiting to be opened on the 24th. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Stamp Girl Paige. I'll have a link to her channel down below. She's a wonderful card maker and crafter. And I hope you all have a wonderful and happy Merry Christmas. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.